Check this out, guys. This is a super rare car. You do not see these very often. This is a 1960 Ford Fairlane 500. It was basically a 1 year only body style. And is super gorgeous. All the chrome and the bright work is just in spectacular shape. It's been repainted, base coat clear, beautiful black paint, just absolutely stunning. Super tight car, doors open and close perfectly. I love this interior. Has power steering, as it says on the, it's called out on the steering wheel. Everything on this car is just super original. Check out that dash. I think this is just such a cool design. Super retro, super simplistic, but at the same time, really stylish. So, interesting story behind this car. You can see the odometer there reads 2,704 miles. That is believed to be original. Apparently, the story on this car was it was parked in a barn off the Great Lakes for basically its entire life until the previous owner got a hold of it, and then he went through basically most of the car as far as repainted it. Went through the engine, tuned it up, new plugs, complete tune-up, water pump, that kind of thing, you name it, fuel pump. Went through all the fluids, rear differential, transmission, engine oil. And this thing runs like a top. It just is very original. The car drives really tight. Everything in this interior appears to be original. You listen to how this thing fires up. Oh, it's the wrong key. The right key in there. I mean, super crisp. So your fuel gauge there works. You know, all for your ventilation, everything slides really super easy. Your fan blows out really nice and strong and smooth. This is a factory air car with an AC compressor under the hood. However, the AC is not operable. It's an older R12 factory air system. One may be able to get it working. You just have to convert it and go through the system, replace what needs replacing. All right, we're gonna move on to the radio now. Radio also.
Well, I'm sure we've all experienced it in the heels of some try to conceal it.
And just like that, the radio makes it sound like you're back in 1960. Really takes you back. Here's your wipers. Those are working. Glove box, super clean. Everything on this car closes really nice and tight. And the horn does work. See our VIN and data tag here. Door panels look very original. The bench seat is in excellent shape. And I really love this flooring. It's not really, kind of like a carpet. It's a little more synthetic than a regular carpet would be. All right, check this out under the hood, guys. All right, there you have it. There is your Ford Y-block V8 engine. I believe it's a 292. Sounds super good, nice and tight. Got a brand new master cylinder there. There's your power steering pump, of course, and there's your factory AC compressor. No belts hooked up to it. One could get that going if so desired. See if I can get the throttle. Don't think I can. Heater core's hooked up. Engine bay again presents very original. You look at your wiring there, looks very clean. Car does have a fresh, recent oil change as well. And this black, beautiful repaint just shows awesome. Very unique body style that you hardly ever see. These are date code 2015 tires, American Classic. Dog dish hubcaps gives it a very cool look. And again, that dash is just gorgeous. The whole interior really just takes you back in time. Got that headliner. Dual exhaust. Another thing to notice on this car, check out this back window. This back window is massive, curved, very easy to see out of this car, great visibility. This back glass is a very cool design, very large. If you're interested in this beautiful, very unique 1960 Ford Fairlane 500 Y-Block V8, please scroll down with a link in the description, take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price, undercarriage pictures, full high-resolution photo gallery. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to make us an offer, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.